Today, we are talking about the Vanishing Wheelchair, what it is, and how you can help. His story shows how anything is possible if one is willing to strive. Everyone has the power to be a giant, just as Ricky has become the 4-foot giant. Why, hello there. My name is TJ Shimeld. I'm one of the co-founders and president of the Vanishing Wheelchair out of Asheville, North Carolina. Here today to share a little bit about what we do at the Vanishing Wheelchair in general. If you've been part of our YouTube audience here, you've seen different bits and pieces of what we're all about. First and foremost, we are a book publisher. The first book we had published was The 4-Foot Giant and the Vanishing Wheelchair. This is what began the whole process. We are coming up now on our 10th anniversary on the 24th. I got to get that right. Not the 24th anniversary and the 10th. Other way around. November 24th, 2020, this Vanishing Wheelchair celebrates 10 years of helping people with disabilities find their passion in life through teaching them the arts. And when we began, this is what launched us, was the 4-Foot Giant, which incidentally you can find a link below. If you're interested in reading about Ricky Boone's inspirational life as a magician in a wheelchair, a comedian, motivational speaker, Ricky D Boone, the 4-Foot Giant and the Vanishing Wheelchair by TJ Shimeld, that's me. To read from the back. From day one, Ricky Boone's doctors predicted his death from a rare bone disorder, Morgani syndrome. If he survived birth, he would never make it beyond 4 years old. He is now over 50. Through the years, he has escaped a rare pneumonia, which kills people with 2 healthy lungs. Brain surgery with a 50% survival rate. It lived through a heart attack from a rare virus. When left to die in the hospital, a voice spoke to him. If you are too tired, I will bring you home. If you are willing to fight, I promise you, it's not over. Hours later, he was still alive. The doctors said he would never leave his bed. A week later, he was up, yet the doctors knew he could never perform. That was 10 years ago, and he has performed more shows since then than ever before, appearing on all 3 major television networks and winning numerous awards and accolades from the magic community. A documentary news broadcast of his life won 2 Emmy Awards for Best Feature and Best Story in the Southeast region. If it weren't for magic, I wouldn't exist, Ricky smiles. Written in historical narrative from personal interviews with Ricky and those he has inspired, his story shows how anything is possible if one is willing to strive. Everyone has the power to be a giant, just as Ricky has become the 4-Foot Giant. It's down below. You can get that through Amazon. And a little while after, this was a book for adults. It's a biography by me, TJ Shimeld. And I also, with the help of Jennifer Shimeld, created a children's book called Tricky D Bun about a little magician's rabbit that, looked a little different, hopped a little weird. He wasn't their traditional white rabbit, and a lot of the professional magicians overlooked him. But a child interested in magic named Zachary found this bunny and took him home, and it's the magic of the friendship between the 2 of them is the real magic in life. And so Tricky D Bun came out illustrated by Jennifer Shimeld, using her henna skills and making it sort of a coloring book as well for children. And so the Vanishing Wheelchair, right off the bat too, had begun doing performances and sharing magic with a meaning. Our show's Magic, Mirth, and Meaning started in Asheville, in and around the area. It eventually became a variety show. Many of us who founded the Vanishing Wheelchair were magicians. But we eventually expanded into a variety of show, showcasing a variety of talents from different people with different disabilities. We've had jugglers and storytellers and singers and dancers and actors acting out scenes and books and all sorts of different talents. So every show was different. And we began hitting our stride doing that on a monthly basis, thanks to a church in Asheville, St. Mary's Episcopal Church, right around the corner from the famed Grove Park Inn in Asheville, North Carolina. And we were doing shows there for a while until we found our own little theater. The space next door to Ricky Boone's Magic Shop, Magic Central, had come available. And so we jumped at the opportunity to rent that space. And bit by bit, with the help of people in the community and other people with disabilities, we turned that space into a little theater. And we used to have a wall in the middle of the space, and we had people come in and tear down the wall, opening up the space so we could hold bigger workshops and bigger shows. And we had people with varying abilities and disabilities come help tear that down. We had people come help paint. So it's really a wonderful community effort of people who really wanted to give to the Vanishing Wheelchair. And I have found that's what it's all about, is giving back. I'm a magician myself. And the feeling I get, though, when I do a workshop at the Vanishing Wheelchair, we work with a group of people who are residents, Blue West Opportunities, that they'll come on a weekly basis, and we do different workshops for them, and I'll teach a relaxation workshop. We have done seated Tai Chi workshops and seated exercise workshops. We've had writing workshops and magic workshops and art workshops, and we will do this on occasion. We're trying to ramp up to be able to do this on a weekly basis, and now using the power and magic of video to be able to get a bigger audience outside the Asheville area. And so bit by bit, those workshops will be coming online that you'll be able to watch here on YouTube. And so do subscribe to our channel for what future events will be coming. And with this founding too of our little theater, we were able to do small shows, usually about 20 to 40 people per show, on a monthly basis, where people with disabilities could showcase their talents and the things that they may have been learning in the workshops. And then we've taken some of those more professional people, and we do mutual beneficial shows for other organizations in and around Asheville that are other nonprofits to help them raise money. And they provide the space, sell the tickets, we come provide the performers and do a big professional show, and we split the profits 50-50. And as we've progressed now on YouTube and using video, we've been able to connect with other organizations here in North Carolina and even across the country to share our magic and our meaning with them. So how can you help? How can you help in all of this? We are striving to teach people with disabilities these talents in the arts. We are then striving to build those talents into a business that may work as a side hustle to get a little money on the side, or eventually full-time business to be able to get rid of any reliance on anybody else or government aid or anything else, so to sustain themselves. So you can donate, vanishingwheelchair.org, $5, $10, $100, $1,000, whatever you are comfortable with, please do. We are coming to the holiday season, or if there's birthdays coming up, if you go shopping at Amazon, go online to smile.amazon.com. Smile.amazon.com. Amazon Smile is a way that Amazon gives to nonprofits, and you can choose your nonprofit, and if you search, you'll find Vanishing Wheelchair, and shop for Vanishing Wheelchair. So anything you buy, it's costing you the same amount, but Amazon will donate a percentage of the sales to the Vanishing Wheelchair. Also, I know everybody's on Google searching for things, but there is another search site called Good Search, powered by Yahoo. If you search there, and again, you can choose the nonprofit you wish to donate money to, Vanishing Wheelchair. Every time you search for something, a bit of profit goes to the Vanishing Wheelchair. Some pennies here and there, but every bit helps out. Also, purchasing of the books, Ricky Boone's The 4-Foot Giant and The Vanishing Wheelchair, available too on Amazon. You can get that. We have the Tricky D Bun book, which will be available on Amazon soon, or you can go to vanishingwheelchair.org and get it direct from us. Those are ways to support as well. We also do look for donations at our little theater. We have donations of magic, and different magicians have donated different pieces of magic. So every time we do a magic show there, a lot of times we have children that are interested to get into magic, and we have these different donations. So we do accept donations of magic or any of the very arts, any painting, supplies, donations of costumes and clothing and materials. Any of that, of course, helps us out as well. So, subscribe, like, pass the word about the Vanishing Wheelchair, and know that you can help just by subscribing too, just by liking and passing the word along. Every bit helps, and we appreciate you joining our journey.